Da, 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 da. Here's my knife, my box cutter. A little tip with box cutters: try to avoid doing this with the blade, because when you want to cut open the box, inadvertently, because the knife is so long, you may wind up cutting your merchandise. So especially when it comes to clothing, that's extremely important. You don't want to cut the apparel inside the box. Well, in this case, I have an RC car in that box. It's not clothing. So I want to avoid the blade going too far in and damaging whatever's inside the box. So make it shorter like that. Little tip for cutting tip. Make it a little bit bigger. So what's inside the box? This is my receipt. La, 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 la. I'm gonna let you read the information. It's private information. And there is the actual RC car. So here they have done a great job packaging. Lower that for you, if you can see that. I'm doing it in my kitchen because this is the place where I have the best lighting. I'll remove some of that stuff. I'm going to throw it on the floor for now, but only for now. I'm holding the camera, as you can see, with one hand and trying to remove the model with the other. So this is it. It's a 1/18 scale car. It is small, but it is a hobby grade RC car after all. And 14 plus is the age, so a child can play with this. Obviously, this is more of a grown-up toy, but 14 plus if they're alone. If they're with an adult, they can play with it, charge the batteries, you know, fix it up and whatnot. But it's recommended 14 and up. So that's it. There it is. Some Traxxas, ready to race. I bought this yesterday morning, so it's already here. It's already arrived. That's the side of the box. Let's see. Be very careful when you open. Uh-oh. Okay, let's open this up now. It's a bit awkward because holding the camera. Well, I'm not holding the camera right now, but I want to give it a good shot. Good view. There's still stuff inside the box. So there it is. It's the car. Get it out. Okay. There's more stuff, of course. There's the radio. The radio's in here. That's the radio. Batteries for the transmitter, and the actual battery for the car. It's here. Now where's the... Oh, the battery's probably inside the car. This is the charger. See? There's a charger. It's a wall charger. Probably takes an hour to charge the naked. Now I have to get the car out. Do you have cutters?
Yeah, I have to look for it.
Do you have cutters? You have to go look for it.
Yeah, I know where they are.
I can get my own then. My nail cutter.
Yeah, use your nail cutter.
There you go. Now I can take the car out. Yeah, it's cute, huh? There it
Let me
is.
see how smooth it is.
Yeah, check it out. See how smooth it is.
It's nice, man. How much?
It's 150 bucks. 180 with the tax. 159, 183 with the tax. But it comes with everything you need. So it's a hobby grade, as I mentioned before. It's a good bang for your buck, you know. Many years ago, you couldn't get much for 180 bucks.
Okay.
You couldn't get a whole lot.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, it looks nice. Wow. Is that ball diff or is that...
No, it's not ball diff. It's a planetary gear diffs. But it's, you know, they're metals. They're metal gears. So for the diffs from the front and the back, because it's a four-wheel drive. The battery's already in there, and here's the charging jack.
I want to see it run.
Well, yeah, I want to see it run, but right now I'm doing this, and I have to charge the battery.
That's the battery. Yeah, that's the same battery as the
have
the Lossy Mini, whatever it's called.
But the extra batteries that you have, they have this
No, it's a different connector.
different connector.
But that's a Traxxas connector, right?
Yeah, it's a Traxxas proprietary connector from Traxxas. So, okay, there's the motor. Battery's there.
You know, you can change everything on it. You can change the motor. You can put a faster motor if you want. You can change a bunch of stuff.
Yeah.
I think you can change the spur gear if you want, I think. Or the pinion.
That's a speed controller, right? And this is the receiver.
I think I'm going to get one.
That's a patent pending receiver cover right there.
Yeah, if I find one.
And the mini
If
servo.
I find it's
And that's it. There you
if
go.
I find it's fun to drive.
That's
it's
the car.
fast, I'm going to get one for myself.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will.
Good bang for your dollar, for your buck.
Did you use a credit card or did you pay PayPal? How did you pay?
Well, I use the PayPal using my credit card, so
So you use your PayPal or your credit card?
I use my credit card via PayPal.
Oh, I see.
Whatever. That's it.
So you have to charge the battery.
Done.
Still, huh?
I assume that I have to charge the battery. These things don't come fully charged. They come with some charge, but not fully charged. You know what I mean? So, yeah.
So
That's it. That's all.
We'll go later afternoon to see it run.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a video still today of it running.
I need
So,
to get a better.
Yeah.
My thing is not more storage.
okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. That's the unboxing of the. Is it Latrax or Latrax? How do they pronounce? How do they say it?
Latrax, I think.
Latrax?
That's the way I pronounce
It's
it.
Latrax. Latrax, right?
Latrax, yeah.
Radio 27 megahertz. No, I'm kidding. It's a 2.4 megahertz radio. And that's it. I have to put the batteries in the radio. That's it. Thanks for watching. Instruction manuals here. We're gonna charge the battery, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
That must be fun to go driving.